All right. So all the demo is done, and now we're about to get to putting everything back together. As you see, the floor is in, the subfloor is in. All right. I had a plumber come and remove the washing machine connections from this wall to this wall. All right. So we got the plumbing connected. We got the vent, and now all that needs to happen now is the electrician that gets here tomorrow, and he'll put in the dryer connection right there. We have all the connectors on, new connectors are on for our faucets and our water lines. You see here, all the subfloor is in. All right, new connectors. Right here, actually these were pretty good, so didn't want to mess with them. So the only thing that needs to happen now is whenever we bring in the fixture, the hardware, I'm sorry, to hook up the shower, we should be able to hook the shower right on up. So we should be all good there. All right. So our next feat will be to raise the ceiling in here. Consulted with an architect, so I have all what we need to make it work. As you see here, you see we got the ceiling joists right here in place. They will be removed, and then we'll raise the ceiling up. We'll take these 2x10s, run them along the side of the ceiling truss, so that way we can have enough room to put insulation in there for insulation to breathe. And then we should be able to put whatever lighting that we want to put up there. My wife requested specific lighting, so she wants us to put in the recessed lighting in here, so we'll do the recessed lighting. So the challenge is really going to be, I'm thinking that we're going to have to knock down this ceiling right here. Didn't really want to, didn't think we had to, but in order to get the joists out of there, well, I'm sorry, not joists out of there, but in order to get the new rafters, or the pairing rafter, if you will, in place, we're going to have to get back there. It looks like, unless what we do, unless we just stop right here. Now we can just stop right here and just raise all this. Half the kitchen will be in the area where the ceiling has been raised. The island would be in that area as well. So the island is going to be around here, so that's going to be a good thing. People can sit down at the island, eat, and not worry about the ceiling being right on top of them. But the actual kitchen, the stove area, will be under the regular ceiling, and the sink and the dishwasher. So I don't think we're going to tackle that. It's going to be a little bit too difficult, because I don't know. We might tackle it. Might just tackle it. We'll see. We'll see when we get over here. But stay tuned. Bringing you next, the raised ceiling.